Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please click subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly delicious, quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to me. Today I've got a treat for you. We're making a hot toddy. This is the perfect warm drink to cozy up with during those chilly evenings. So let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of hot water, 1.5 ounces of whiskey, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 lemon slice, 3 whole cloves. Alright, got everything? Great, let's make some magic happen. Step 1. Boil some water. You'll need about 1 cup. While that's heating up, grab your favorite mug. I love using a big cozy mug for this drink. Step 2. Pour 1.5 ounces of whiskey into your mug. This is the heart of our hot toddy, the warmth that'll keep you toasty. Step 3. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. This adds a lovely sweetness and also gives the drink a smooth texture. Plus, honey is great for soothing your throat. Step 4. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a nice, bright zing to the drink and balances the sweetness of the honey. Step 5. Drop in a cinnamon stick. This isn't just for flavor, it also looks super festive. Step 6. Carefully pour in your hot water. Stir everything together until the honey is completely dissolved and all the flavors meld perfectly. Step 7. Add a lemon slice on top and a couple of whole cloves for garnish. These little touches make your hot toddy look and taste even better. And there you have it, the perfect hot toddy in just a few minutes. This drink is not only delicious, but also incredibly soothing. Perfect for a relaxing evening by the fire, or even when you're feeling a bit under the weather. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite winter drink. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our weekly recipes. Until next time, stay cozy and keep cooking. Bye! Please like, share, and subscribe.